Hi Xbox fans, get ready for the Games with Gold September lineup. As always, all 4 games are playable and acquirable on Xbox One and free to those with an active Xbox Live Gold subscription. Beginning September 1st, take control of designing, running, and maintaining a maximum security penitentiary in Prison Architect. You manage everything from designing the prison, handling riots, infernos, and hostage situations, to hiring staff and reforming inmates. See the results of your grand designs play out as you get to decide what type of warden you become. Then come back on September 16th and break the infinite cycle of war between the machines in the twin-stick shooter Live Lock. Control one of 3 mechanical chassis types, Hex, Vanguard, or Catalyst, to defeat your mechanical enemies in this 3-player co-op as you try to unlock Eden and revive humanity. On the Xbox 360 September 1st, journey to a galaxy far, far away in LEGO Star Wars 3. Based on the Clone Wars animated series, experience massive ground battles, boss fights, and multi-layered space combat in the unique LEGO style. May the Force and LEGO be with you. Finally, on September 16th, bring peace back to Monster World in 3 classic RPG titles from the past in Sega Vintage Collection Monster World. Relive the fun of the Wonder Boy series, including the final chapter never released outside of Japan. This is retro adventure gaming at its finest. To redeem the titles, simply click on the gold area on your Xbox One, your Xbox 360, or even on the web at xbox.com/gameswithgold. Your new games will automatically appear in the ready-to-install section of your Xbox One. With Xbox Live Gold, you are part of the world's premier gaming community.